Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Basil Travel. So we are continuing our Japan vlogs, but today I was thinking that it will be also quite special. I will put a promo video which we recorded for my other channel, for my work related channel, and I thought it may be interesting just to show to you a small part of my working life. And basically that video is invitation to the live stream which will be next week. So I hope you will join and enjoy this episode. But of course, we will be continuing traveling, cycling, and so on. So stay tuned, subscribe, comment, and like. Hello, everyone. Join us live from Torbaca Airfield on March 20 at 3 p.m. Finnish time. We live in a world filled with information, often transmitted by radio waves, from phone calls and GPS signals to Wi-Fi and satellite communications. Our ancestors would have called this magic. But this magic is pure science, and in our live broadcast, we will demonstrate how our research in aerial radio measurements is shaping the future. We will show why drones are essential, not just for science, but for everyday life. Don't miss it, like, share and subscribe to stay updated.